Welcome to Shri Priti Education online classes. So today we are going to start the current affair funda of April month. So let's take a look. MHRD rolls out National Program Vidya Dan 2.0. National Program Vidya Dan 2.0 has been rolled out by the Union Human Resource Development Minister Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank to invite e-learning content contributions as the requirement of e-learning content for students has increased in the backdrop of situation arising out of COVID-19 pandemic. Vidyadan is a common national program for individuals and organizations across the nation to donate or contribute e-learning resources for school as well as higher education in order to ensure the continuity of quality learning. This donated or shared content with the utilized on the Diksha app. Now some of the important points are here to remember. Union Minister for Human Resource Development Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank Digital Directory titled COVID FYI launched. COVID FYI is a one-stop digital directory containing information of all COVID-19 related services and helplines released by official sources. This platform has been made by an international team of 16 members led by Simran Soni, a student of Indian Institute of Management, Kozhikode. COVID FYI, a one-stop COVID-19 platform for accessing emergency services from official government sources. Facebook launches third-party fact-check systems in Bangladesh. Social media platform Facebook has announced to launch a third-party fact-checking system in Bangladesh. Facebook has partnered with an Indian fact-checking website Boom for a third-party fact-checking system in Bangladesh. The fact-checking system will focus on discouraging the spread of fake news in the country by reviewing and rating the stories, including photos and videos. Now, the important points to remember. Chief Executive Officer of Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook headquarters is in California, US. BCCI creates Team Mask Force to spread awareness against COVID-19. Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI) has created a video to promote wearing masks in public places and help the country to fight against COVID-19 pandemic. The Team Mask Force has been formed to spread awareness about wearing masks in public places. Now the important points to remember. BCCI President Saurav Ganguly, headquarters of BCCI is in Mumbai. National Conference on Kharif Crops 2020 held. The National Conference on Kharif Crops 2020 was held through video conference to discuss various issues and to list out measures in consultation with the state about their preparedness for Kharif cultivation. During the lockdown situation, the Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare Narendra Singh Tomar addressed the conference and emphasized on achieving the aim of Kharif target and take up doubling of farmers' income in the mission mode. Indian High Commission UK hosts virtual COVID-19 meet for business. The Indian High Commission in United Kingdom has organized a virtual roundtable COVID-19 meet for business COVID-19 issues, challenges and way forward to address concern around the economic impact of the coronavirus lockdown in the United Kingdom. The COVID-19 issues, challenges and way forward. Meet also deliberated on the issue faced by Indian businesses across various sectors such as financial services, hospitality, healthcare, information technology and IT services. Sporting sporting motorcycle brand Norton acquired by TVS Motor Company, the United Kingdom's most iconic sporting motorcycle brand Norton has been acquired by TVS Motor Company's overseas subsidiary TVS Motor Singapore Pte Limited in all cash transaction of $16 million. Norton, a 122 years old motorcycle company, was founded by James Lansdowne Norton in Birmingham and went on to become the most popular British motorcycle brands of all time. CSIR NAL develops personal protective cover-all suit. CSIR National Aerospace Laboratories has developed personal protective cover-all suit in association with MAF Clothing Private Limited, Bangalore. The polypropylene spoon laminated multi-layered non-woven fabric-based suit has been developed for the frontline health workers, that is doctors, nurses, paramedical staff and healthcare workers working round the clock on COVID-19 mitigation. DRDO rolls out new product to enable COVID-19 disinfection process. The Defense Research and Development Organization has rolled out new product, namely automatic mist-based sanitizer dispensing unit and UV sanitization box and handheld UV device to enable COVID-19 disinfection process. A automatic mist-based sanitizer dispensing unit is based on water mist aerator technology. UV sanitization box will be used for the purpose of disinfection personal belongings such as mobile phones, tablet, purse, currency, cover of office files, etc. While the handheld device will be used for disinfecting office and household objects such as chairs, files, postal delivered items and food packets. Now the important points to remember. Chairman of Defense Research and Development Organization G. Satish Reddy, Headquarters of DRDO, New Delhi. World Heritage Day 2020 observed globally on 18th April. World Heritage Day 2020 observed globally on 18th April every year to preserve the human heritage and to recognize all the efforts of relevant organizations. The theme of World Heritage Day 2020 is shared culture, shared heritage and shared responsibility. UNESCO formation 4th November 1946. UNESCO headquarters Paris, France. UNESCO Director General Audrey Azoulay. Headquarters of International Council on Monuments and Sites ICOMOS Paris, France. International Council on Monuments and Sites ICOMOS founded in 1965. President of International Council on Monuments and Sites Toshiyuki Kono. Tribal leader and former Odisha minister Saharai Oram passes away. Saharai Oram passes away. Veteran tribal leader and former Odisha minister Saharai Oram passed away. He was first elected to the Odisha Assembly from Champua constituency in 1971 and was elected from the same constituency as a Janata Party candidate. Agriculture Minister launches Kisan Rath mobile app. Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar has launched a mobile application Kisan Rath to facilitate transportation of food grains and perishables during lockdown. The mobile application Kisan Rath has been developed by the National Informatics Center NIC to provide farmers and traders in finding transport vehicles for primary and secondary transportation for movement of agriculture and horticulture produce. 10 lakh rupees compensation for all postal employees. During the nationwide lockdown due to COVID-19 pandemic, the postal employees including Gramin Dak Sevaks are performing various departmental duties as well as serving the social causes in the crisis time. Therefore, it has been decided to grant payment of compensation of rupees 10 lakh to all the postal employees including Gramin Dak Sevaks GDS succumbing to the disease while brought on duty. The above guidelines have been implemented immediately and continue for the entire period till the crisis of COVID-19 is over. Access Corona app launched by Delhi government. The Delhi government has launched Access Corona mobile application and advised the official to use the new Access Corona app to do door-to-door survey in COVID-19 containment zones. So this mobile application will speed up decision making by analyzing the real-time data and hence removing a major obstacle in the efforts to contain the virus. Now the important points to remember: CM of Delhi Arvind Kejriwal, Lieutenant Governor of Delhi Anil Baijal. So the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi is Anil Baijal. MHA issues new activities exempted from the lockdown restrictions. The Ministry of Home Affairs has released a list of new activities that have been exempted from the lockdown restrictions to fight COVID-19. The guidelines were aimed towards restarting the country's economic engine and lessen the pain of millions suffering from continued lockdown to combat the spread of COVID-19. Now the important points: Union Minister of Home Affairs Amit Shah. Chhattisgarh government launches CG Hut website for home delivery. Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh Bhupesh Baghel has recently launched a website CG Hut to provide home delivery of fruits and vegetables during the lockdown. Chhattisgarh government launches CG Hut website for home deliveries. Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh Bhupesh Baghel has recently launched a website CG Hut to provide home delivery of fruits and vegetables during the lockdown. The website has been designed and developed by Chhattisgarh government's agency CHIPS. Now the important points to remember: formation of Chhattisgarh was in 1st November 2000. Governor of Chhattisgarh Anusuya Uike, Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh Bhupesh Baghel. RBI cancels the license of Mapusa Urban Cooperative Bank of Goa Limited. The license of Mapusa Urban Cooperative Bank of Goa Limited has been cancelled by the Reserve Bank of India. The central bank has issued an order barring the bank to carry on banking business with effect from the close of business on April 16, 2020. Hence, the urban cooperative banks has been refrained from running the business of banking, which comprises of acceptance of deposits as well as repayments of deposits, as defined in Section 5B, read with Section 56 of the Banking Regulation Act 1949 with the immediate effect. Important points to remember: RBI 25th Governor Shaktikant Das, headquarters is in Mumbai, founded 1st April 1935, Kolkata. RBI announces measures to mitigate impact of COVID-19. The Reserve Bank of India has announced a set of measures to mitigate the effect of COVID-19. Among the major announcements, the Reserve Bank of India has decided to reduce the reverse repo rate under the Liquidity Adjustment Facility (LAF) by 25 basis points from 4% to 3.7% with the immediate effect, while the policy repo rate, MSF rate and the bank rate will remain same as per the decision taken in RBI's 7th bi-monthly monetary policy statement for 2019 to 20. Now the important points to remember: RBI 25th Governor is Shaktikant Das. Headquarters is in Mumbai. Founded was in 1st April 1935, Kolkata. BSNL CMD PK Purwar takes additional charge of MTNL. The chairman and managing director of Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited (BSNL), P.K. Purwar, have been given the additional charge as CMD of Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited, that is MTNL. Integrated Geospatial Platform Sahyog rolled out by DST. An integrated geospatial platform Sahyog has been rolled out by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India to help in decision making during the present COVID-19 outbreak and support with area specific strategies in order to handle the socio-economic impact in the recovery phase. It will also complement the Arogya Setu mobile application for contact tracing, public awareness, and self assessment objectives. It is expected to bolster the public health delivery system of the state as well as central government and facilitate the necessary geospatial information support to citizens and agencies by collecting COVID-19 specific geospatial dataset via community engagement. YSR Nirman and COVID-19 portals launched by Andhra government. YSR Nirman and COVID-19 portal have been launched by the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh to fight against the coronavirus pandemic. The YSR Nirman is a web platform that assists the various departments to acquire cement and connects the various stakeholders such as Cement Manufacturer Association, manufacturing companies and government departments. The AP Industry COVID-19 portal enables the MSME manufacturers as well as suppliers within the state to register themselves. The manufacturer and suppliers with UAM and GST can register themselves with the portal in order to create and supply essential items associated with COVID-19. Now the important points to remember: Governor of Andhra Pradesh Vishwa Bhushan Harichandan. Banking and business news: SBI to waive service charge for all ATM transactions. India's largest lender, State Bank of India, has made an announcement to waive service charges for all ATM transactions made on SBI ATMs and on the other bank ATMs on account of exceeding the free number of transactions up to 30th June 2020. So any customer having a debit card from SBI Bank will be allowed to withdraw cash from any other bank's ATM without incurring any additional charges till 13th June 2020. Now the important points to remember: Chairperson of State Bank of India Rajneesh Kumar, headquarters is in Mumbai and founded was in 1st July. It was founded in 1st July 1955. Tata AIA Life Insurance provide additional benefits related to COVID-19. Tata AIA Life Insurance has become the first life insurance company in India to announce additional benefits related to COVID-19 for the policyholders and agents at no additional cost. The insurance company will give an additional amount up to rupees 5 lakhs for death claims due to COVID-19. This benefit is applicable for all valid death claims with the date of death on or before June 30, 2020. Important points to remember: MD and CEO Tata AIA Life Insurance Rishi Srivastava, headquarters of Tata AIA Life Insurance Mumbai. Tata AIA Life Insurance founded 2000.